Global Youth Service Day is all about mobilizing youth in community service and recognizing the work that youth are doing to serve their communities year-round. So in all 50 states, DC, and over 115 countries, we have youth taking part in Global Youth Service Day to really be the change that they want to see in their own communities.
So we have a variety of projects happening throughout the county, and that's anything from garden projects to stream cleanups to thrift store organization. So at Cub Run today, they're doing a lot of different things. So they're doing some planting, some weeding, some mulching, some watershed restoration, and some general landscaping and beautification.
So we have about 50 to 60 volunteers today with their parents helping out volunteering this year. And we're so grateful not only to the volunteer, but to Global Youth Service Program for helping us each year.
Teens gain a lot of skills by volunteering. I think the most important is they develop some confidence and responsibility and a sense of self-worth. Volunteering is a really great way for them to feel connected to their community, and they get a sense of empowerment by realizing that all of the activities that they're doing, no matter how small, are making a positive impact.